Hello friend, myself Manish. Today I will teach about how to open the Siemens software. First go to create a new project. Then we type a project name. Suppose here is a project 3. I create it. It will taking a time, but don't worry. It will open. It will open and then we go to the device and network, and here add a new device. You will see it is processing and opening. It will open. When we program a PLC, we select a controller, and when we program HMI, we select a HMI. So I will program a PLC, so I will select a PLC. Then here a controller type. I have a Symmetric S7 1200 CPU version 1 to 4 DC. Now I opening it, and here is the serial number. Double click. It will opening, taking some time. Now it is open. You can see here PLC image, and we have wanted to program, so just I simply show you how to program it. We select a OB1. Here you can see this is a NO and this is a NC, and this is a coil, that means output, and this is a empty space, empty box, that means you have to select and call any instruction, like I am calling NO button. You can see instructions types. These all are gathered here. Okay. So I first delete it because this is an intro. I take a NO just like this, and this is a NC, and this is a coil. You can see this coil is shifted below, so don't worry. Delete it. Here we have programming about what is the address. Here address is I. This is the input. I is the 0.0, and for NC we have user I 0.1, and for the last output I select a O 0.0. This is not gathering here. Output is not a O. Here we use as a output Q 0.0. Okay, this is just an intro how to open and take a NONC and a coil. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please like it, comment it, and please subscribe.